Hey guys, can you help me put this gallon of water in here? The water dispenser is too heavy. I have to put it on top of that. I need to stand up in the chair and I carry it, put it in my lap. This is the way I put this water on top of this dispenser because it's too heavy. See? I cannot carry it without putting in my lap. Wow! See? Oh, they're done. That's the way I put the water gallon in the dispenser. Too heavy. It's hard to put it. I need to stand up in the chair. You see the chair? I'll put the water gallon on top of the chair and I stand up in the chair together with the gallon, and I carry the gallon and I put it on top of my lap before I put it down here in the dispenser. Guys, it's too heavy, this gallon. It's hard to carry. Hard to put in the dispenser.